Good afternoon. This is Universal News Media. Today is February 8, 2018. The videos we are about to view all came from either the Alaskan or the Canadian FAA weather cams just today. This is all raw footage. No editing or touch-up was done. Our first video is a triangular sun viewed from Rainbow Lake in Alberta, Canada. The triangular sun is a fairly common sight among the FAA cameras scattered about Alaska and Canada, and the only reason I'm showing it here is because not everyone has seen it. For our next oddity, we go to the south-facing camera located in Attawapiskat, Ontario, Canada. What we are seeing here is an everyday occurrence, viewed best from the Attawapiskat camera. The sun pulsates as it rises over on the left side of the camera screen. Pay very close attention to the next 3 frames and you will see a faint, cloudy outline of a very, very large planet. In a moment, the sun is going to appear to cross in front of this mammoth textured object. The object will become lit up and its texture will become visible. As soon as the sun reaches the leftmost edge of this object, it appears to shrink down to 1/4 of its size. The light you are seeing now is not the sun. The sun is behind this gigantic object, and a light that tracks with the sun is in front of it, giving the illusion that the sun is in front. I call this a flashlight sun. Every eclipse with this incoming system occurs in this very same manner. Notice how dark the landscape suddenly became when the real sun disappeared behind this large textured object. The flashlight sun crosses in front of the textured object. Notice the texture. The background does not move. We'll move the video back and forth here to give viewers a better look at the texture and how it remains stationary. It remains stationary day after day as well. This same object is here every single day in this same position. It must somehow be cloaked from the amateur telescopes, or they would be seeing this huge textured orb. Once the flashlight sun has moved completely across the textured celestial object, the real sun then emerges from behind. The landscape brightens, and the sun resumes its previous size again, pulsating as it continues moving to the right and off the screen. Let's replay that. The sun pulsates as it rises in the east, over on the left side of the screen. It then moves toward the gigantic textured orb. The sun goes behind the orb, and the flashlight sun goes in front of the orb, shrinking to about 1/4 the size of what the real sun was. And the landscape darkens suddenly, as if it's becoming nighttime. The flashlight sun moves across the textured object. The texture is always the same. The cracks and crevices never change or move day after day. Once the flashlight sun is completely past the textured object, the real sun emerges from behind the planet. The landscape gets brighter as the real sun shines upon it, and the sun pulsates then as it moves westward to the right of the camera screen. Our final images are something that many people around the world have noticed. Just recently, every morning, something very red appears to be either rising or setting on the north horizon, most likely setting. In Ohio, the northern horizon is very, very heavily chemtrailed every single morning, making the morning northern sky redness difficult to see. However, people in other parts of the U.S. and the world do get a chance to see this on occasion. The red morning northern sky is common to Alaskans and Canadians. The red sky can only be caused by a celestial object near the horizon. Many people ask when this celestial system will make its closest pass to our Earth. A general indication of time is provided in the following pages of text.